Korea, I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. Today, we are cooking something noodle, not rice, not spicy food, something Korean traditional noodle. We are cooking Japchae. As usual, simple and easy ingredients and easy recipe. Let's start. Today, we are using 당면, all from sweet potato. Let's check the texture. Ooh. A little bit of gray color, dried one, right? Like this. We need to make it softer, right? So with this dried one, please put into the warm water. Then just leave for 30 minutes. You can get these texture of glass noodles. If you don't have enough time to make this, you can just boil it for 6 to 7 minutes. You can get these beautiful glass noodles. Yeah. So we are using glass noodle, sesame oil, sesame seed, roasted one, and pepper, soy sauce, just a little bit of cooking oil, and spring onion, around like 5 to 10 grams, just a little bit. And I prepared chives, around 15 grams, but you can just use spinach as much as you want. Then 60 grams of onion, 30 grams of carrot, like green, white, like orange color. Japchae is colorful food. Sugar, of course, you can just use oligosaccharide, any, like sugary syrup. And meat, I prepared pork, but you can just use beef or chicken. Normally, we are using pork. And any kind of mushroom, I prepared dried mushroom for the texture, and just like one handful mushroom would be lovely. That's it. We need to make sauce first. So with big tablespoon, let's add 3 big spoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, then and sugar. Just 1. Then a lot of pepper, like maybe 3 dash of pepper. 1, 2, 3. All pepper. And 1 spoon of sesame oil. Ooh, a lot of sesame seeds. Mix, mix, mix. And I'm trying. Tasty, but we need a little bit more sweetness. So let's add half spoon more. I put 3 spoons of soy sauce, 1.5 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of sesame oil, and enough of pepper and sesame seeds, right? And mix, mix, mix. Once it's done, let's cut meat first. We need to cut like that. Let's cut everything. And spring onion as same as meat. If it is too big, you can just make it half. But the length, you need to check it. Time! Also, same as any other ingredient. This size will be lovely. Onion, just make it slice. Carrot. Yeah. My dried mushroom is already cut as this size, so I don't need to cut. But you have, like whole mushroom, right? So please cut as any other ingredient size, okay? So everything's ready. You need to cook straight away. Then you will get amazing Japchae. So let's turn on the gas. Just a little bit of oil. And for the flavor, we need to get spring onion flavored oil first. Then we need to add all the spring onion with medium fire. Then please add all of your meat. And we make sauce, right? Let's add half spoon of sauce first. When the meat looks amazing, let's add carrot. Why I put carrot first because carrot takes time to get smooth, right? Then all the onion. 3 minutes passed and all the veg I put, onion, carrot, spring onion, looks so pretty. It turns to smooth and it's time to add mushroom. If you have just fresh mushroom, just put into the pan straight away, but I have a dried one, make it soft, right? So all the water squeeze and put in. Mushroom is already soft, so let's add all the glass noodle. You don't need to squeeze all the water. So put everything. Then add the sauce. Let's make it half first. Please stir it well of your sugar. I put 3 tablespoons of this sauce first, and then let's keep stirring. Let's turn up to the high max fire. Keep stirring. If you're vegetarian, you can just skip the meat and you can add more extra mushroom and vegetable. Oh my, look at this color. Now, let's add these chives. You know why I put this chive, for the last? Because of the color. Ooh, look at it. Beautiful, colorful. I cooked for 5 minutes. It's done. If you're a big fan of meat, you can add extra meat. If you're a big fan of vegetable, you can put extra vegetable. Then it will be mild flavor, right? Then you can just use the rest of the sauce, right? It's really done. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Sesame smell and vegetable and meat. Look at it. Colorful, glorious. This is Korean traditional noodle. Do not compare with any other Asian noodle. Mushroom. Change the texture. Pepper.